What stresses most marketers out today is actually quite surprising. Yes, don't get me wrong, one of the major stressors of marketers today is misalignment on goals, objectives between them, their team, their organization, and a lot of dysfunction in many ways. But the second thing is all of the poems on LinkedIn that are conflicting messages between this, that, and the other thing. There's so much noise on LinkedIn. I love LinkedIn. You're probably watching this on LinkedIn. Hey, it's okay. I'm not throwing too much shade, just a little. But there's so much noise here where people are getting conflicted messages. On one post, you're seeing someone say, you don't need to work. You don't need to put in the work. You just need to chill. And then you're seeing another piece that is saying grind, 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 grind. And then you have marketers reading both of these messages going, what do I do? Here's the thing, folks. You have to do what's right for you. Don't get caught up in the hype of the gurus. You're gonna find gurus on both sides. Some people are saying work, 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 work. You're gonna find some people saying chill, 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 chill. You have to think about what you actually want in your career, what you want out of your life, what your ambitions are, and try to put on blinders to stay focused on your vision and where you wanna go. Because sure, there are going to be moments in your life where it should be very chill. There are going to be moments where you want to really embrace that idea of being disconnected, to just relax, to chill, not have timelines, not have pressure. Those are going to be moments that you want. But there are also going to be moments where pressure is actually going to be a good thing, where pressure is going to help you unlock something inside of you that is going to allow you to uncover and find skills and talents and opportunities that you never even thought were possible. So figure out for yourself. Take the time to reflect and truly understand what it is that you want in your career, what it is that you want from your work, because not everybody wants work to be the same. So figure it out for yourself. Ignore the stress of the parallels that are going on LinkedIn and do the internal work. And yes, it is work. It's not going to be easy. It's going to take time. But when you can put on your blinders and stay focused on you, what you really want, the whole game of life gets easier.